careful. Be respectful.
At Fulton County Schools, it's what we want for all our students while riding one of our school buses. Riding a school bus is all about safety, and in this presentation we will show what that looks like. Proper bus behavior is vital to all to safely transport students and to minimize any distractions for your bus driver. We will break this down into the three main parts: loading at your bus stop, riding your school bus, and unloading at your bus stop. It is important to remember that your school day starts while you are waiting for your bus at your bus stop and ends when we return you back to your bus stop and you leave your bus stop.
Do this.
Let's begin with what you should do at your bus stop. For your safety, everyone should arrive 5 minutes before your bus is scheduled to pick you up. Stay 12 feet off the road in a single file line with all your belongings in your backpack. Wait for your driver to signal you that it is safe to board your school bus before you approach it. If you must cross the street, wait off the road on your side of the street for the bus to arrive. Remember, you must wait for the driver to signal you so you are safe from any moving traffic. How we board the school bus is important. Your driver must account for every student at your stop while keeping you safe.
No earbuds when loading or unloading.
So let's look at how to do this correctly. Make sure your backpacks are zipped up and remove your earbuds so your driver can talk to you or warn you. We should always be patient and not rush the door. Remember, for your safety, use the handrail and wait for those in front of you to climb the bus stairs. If you are crossing the street, wait off the road in a safe location for your driver to signal you that it is safe to cross. Then proceed across the street in front of the school bus and board the bus.
Buckle up.
Once you have safely boarded the bus, you should proceed to your assigned seat. If your school bus has seatbelts, you should buckle up for safety. It is now Fulton County Schools policy to use seatbelts while riding the school bus. If you are not sure how to properly use your seatbelt, ask your driver for help. So let's all be responsible and wear our seatbelts for safety. Now, let's go over how to properly ride the school bus.
Stay inside the bus.
The proper way to ride the school bus is facing forward and keep your backpack on your lap or next to you so the aisle is empty.
Use your inside voice.
We should always use our inside voices so we do not distract the driver.
Don't eat or drink when the bus is moving.
Stay in our seat and remember not to eat or drink while the bus is moving. If you want to use your electronics, you should use them with earbuds so we do not disturb other students. It is time for us to go over how to properly unload the school bus. Remember to stay seated until the bus has come to a complete stop, and you will hear the bus's air brake. Make sure you have all your belongings in your backpack and safely walk up the aisle. Remember to remove your earbuds. When your driver says it is safe to exit, use the handrail and look both ways for your safety before stepping off. Then walk at least 12 feet away from the bus. If you accidentally drop something, stop and get the bus driver's attention. The driver will check to make sure it is safe, then signal you to retrieve your items. If you are crossing, wait on the curb in front of the crossing gate. When it is safe, the driver will signal you to cross to the left side of the bus and stop. Look both ways and back at the driver. If it is still safe, the driver will signal you across the road. Proceed across the road and at least 12 feet off the road. Now let's look at what we should not do.
Not this.
These behaviors can cause you to be in danger. While at the bus stop, you should never be close to the road or playing with balls or going through your backpack. Remember, your bus stop will always be close to the street. There will always be other cars or vehicles. Never run across the street while the bus is approaching. This is not safe and your bus driver may not see you. If you are supposed to cross the street, stay on your side of the street until the bus driver signals that it is safe to cross. We should never approach the bus or crowd the door before it opens. It is not safe, and the door could hit you when it opens. For your safety, you should always stay inside the bus and seated. Whether the bus is moving or stopped, We should never crowd the rear window or make faces at other traffic. It is not safe. Remember to be safe and stay seated while on the bus. We want everyone to be safe, be responsible, be respectful every time you ride the school bus. When you follow the guidelines in this presentation, you help to make this happen.
Be safe! Be respectful! Be responsible!